Okay, so this bloke's swearing and he just talks on here, no doubt at Nottingham. Don't change channel. So this is, I'll tell you what, we'll go to Mega Chippie channel and away from the swearing. I think we've got the squelch somewhere sensible. But we'll find out, won't we, as we go around Scratchy Corner. Just see where it is. Let's try it there. One. So this is the PNI HP6500 that our mystery benefactor Alan sent us up in a blown up condition, and Mr. Chippie was able to clean up the damaged printed circuit board. We bought another set which we'll be looking at next week, and we'll then be selling on a brand new one so that we knew what parts were missing, because no service manuals available for the set. I did email the wholesaler, but they didn't reply, so there you go. So let's see if Mr. Chippie is out there, and if he is, we'll then put our extension speaker on. So these are these teeny weeny sets with a teeny weeny speaker. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger on that. I will plug in my extension speaker.
Roger, let me know when you're ready.
So I'm going to put this through a stereo adapter because they seem to be wired funny, these. It's never going to go back in the right position, is it? Tango 21 ready. Hang on a minute, this didn't work.
Sorry, say again.
I plugged in the extension speaker and then I got silence. Just one moment. Yep, it's working now.
Yep, roger that, we'll go.
Roger Dodger.
We're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
You're on that and we're not late.
No. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
You got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
You got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
21, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Tango 21, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm
On a PNI HP6500 mobile, doing a full forwad on the factory original microphone, is the one you rebuilt. Over.
Roger that, yeah, all received.
Good.
Level crossing. Over.
Got you going over Wilford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
You got you at the Greyleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. One is PNI HP6500 and it's delivering a full 4 watt and it's doing 1.95 amps to do that. Now this has got an AM FM capability, but I'll have to reprogram it for a different country region, which will be EU. So can I meet you on channel 31 CEPT FM?
Yep, roger that, I'm gone. Tango 21, go ahead.
So on CEPT FM, now drawing just over 2 amps, and I can now flick it over to AM. See you there.
Roger that.
So 21 with the Chippie on AM.
Tango 21, yep, receiving you loud and clear.
What have you got you on
Yep, Roger, see you there.
Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, yeah, go ahead.
Okay, that's all done, off we go.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this PNI HP6500 and it's delivering a full 4 watts and destroying 1.95 amps to do that. Now this has got an AM FM capability, but I'll have to reprogram it for a different country region, which will be EU. So can I meet you on channel 31 CEPT FM?
Yeah, roger that, I'm gone.
Roger. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Right, so we're on CEPT FM now, drawing just over 2 amps, and I can now flick it over to AM. See you there.
Roger that.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie on AM.
Tango 21, yep, receiving ID.
Roger, got you on AM. Let's go back now to UK 31.
Yep, Roger, see you there.
Roger. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, yeah, go ahead.
Okay, that's all done. Off we go.
Roger.
Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yeah, 149.9, 161.9.
On that, that works fine, thank you very much.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please? Over.
Yeah, 149.9, 161.9.
Roger on that. Well, that worked fine. Thank you very much.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
1010. Yeah, so that does work indeed fine. So we'll go to our Midland base station, see what it sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the PNI HP6500, the one kindly sent by Alan, our Mr. Benefactor, and rebuilt by Mr. Chippie, into our Midland 76900 base station on the factory original mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hopefully we should finish Rotel RVC 230 tomorrow.